Now the first is that assertion tells that all isotopes of a given element show the same type of chemical behavior. All isotope of a given element show the same type of chemical behavior. Reason tells that chemical properties of an atom is controlled by the number of electrons in the atom. Now there are 4 options A, B, C, D. The options are basically same. A, assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion is correct, reason is false, and fourth one is both assertion and reason are false. Okay, so for this question, what would be the option? Can you do it? Option A, all isotopes of a given element show the, yes, it is correct, and chemical properties of an atom are controlled by the number of electrons. Yes, so it would be the option A, correct answer. The physical properties are changed, but the chemical property depends on the number of electrons. Next one, it is impossible to determine the exact position and exact momentum of an electron simultaneously. It is impossible to, it is the assertion A, it is impossible to determine the exact position and exact momentum of an electron simultaneously. Reason tells that the path of an electron in an atom is clearly defined. The path of an electron in an atom is clearly defined. For this, others, have you the knowledge of assertion reason type question? This is the assertion reason type question. Those who are Moitri, Puskar, Sunirmal. A is true, yes, and the B is false. That means reason is false. So the option is A, B, C. Yes, so the option is C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Next, assertion reason from that chapter. Kinetic energy of assertion. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons increases with the increase in frequency of incident radiation. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons increases with the increase in frequency of incident radiation. It is assertion. Reason tells that the number of photoelectrons ejected increases with increase in the intensity of the incident radiation. The number of photoelectrons ejected increases with increase in the intensity of the incident radiation. So, for those who joined last, I am discussing some assertion reason type question from the chapter, that is structure of atom. Everyone concentrate on that. Just once repeating the last question. Assertion tells that kinetic energy of photoelectron increases with the increase in frequency of incident radiation. It is assertion. Reason tells that the number of photoelectrons ejected increases with increase in the intensity of the incident radiation. Now, out of these 4 options, which one will be correct? You have to be identify. Option A. Yes, the number of photoelectrons ejected increases with the intensity of the incident radiation. This is correct one once again. So, it would be the first option. Next, hydrogen has 1 electron in its orbit, but it produces several spectral lines. Hydrogen has 1 electron in its orbit, but it produces several spectral lines. Reason: there are many excited energy level available. Very easy one. There is very energy level available. Very easier one. Option A would be the correct answer. That assertion is correct and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Yes. Next one. Electronic energy for hydrogen atom of different orbits of different orbitals follow the sequence. Sequence is 1s, 2s equal to 2p, 3s equal to 3p equal to 3d. The statement I am repeating once. Electronic energy for hydrogen atom of different orbitals follow the sequence this one, 1s less than 2s equal to 2p less than 3s 3p. Reason tells that electronic energy for hydrogen atom depends upon n and is independent of L and ml value. Electronic energy for hydrogen atom depends upon n and is independent of L and ml values. Yes, when the n will be the same, it is having the degenerate, the same energy level. So, again option A is the correct one. Next one, assertion: in an orbital cannot have more than 2 electrons and their spin must be opposite. Assertion: reason tells that no 2 electron in an atom can have the same set of all 4 quantum numbers. Very easy question. An orbital, this is assertion, an orbital cannot have more than 2 electrons and their spin must be opposite. Reason: no 2 electron in an atom can have same set of all the 4 quantum numbers. It is Sunirmal. A false. No. A and R correct. Why you are choosing option B? Why not A? No two electrons in the an atom can have same set of, yes, this is also true. Now is they are explaining the statement. Why not this is A? Because suppose in an orbital these are the two electrons filled. Now these having n, l, ml value same, but when they are taking place in a same orbit, same orbital, then the last quantum number, that is the spin quantum number, must be different. The spin quantum number must be different, either plus or minus half. So this is also the rule. Pauli's exclusion principle. Yes, the opposite spin will come from ms value, ms equal to plus minus half. So it is also a quantum number, ms. This is explained by the Pauli exclusion principle. So with this respect, I think it would be option A. Is not? An orbital cannot have more than two electrons and their spin must be opposite. Now the opposite spin is why? Opposite spin is coming from the value of ms, one is plus, another one is minus, but it is also one quantum number, ms. This is explained in the reason no two electron in an atom can have same set of all four quantum number, because these two electrons having same set of quantum number except the ms. If ms becomes same, then the electron will identify the same electron, but as they having opposite spin, so these ms values will be different. I think it is 5A. Assertion is correct and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Next, the energy of an electron is mainly determined, the energy of an electron is mainly determined by principal quantum number. Assertion. Reason tells that the principal quantum number is the measure of the most probable distance of finding the electron around the nucleus. I am repeating once. Assertion, the energy of an electron is mainly determined by principal quantum number. Okay, now just remember the energy expression. Next one, reason. The principal quantum number is a measure of most probable distance of finding the electron around the nucleus. Here, which one will be the correct one? Krishnendu. A. Assertion is correct. Yes, assertion is obviously correct. Because if you follow the En, it is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square mz square. So here, as it is in n is the, and the second one, the principal quantum number is a measure of the most probable distance of finding. So when the distance from the center, that is nucleus, is increasing, that is, it can be determined from the value of n, because n is the principal quantum number at orbits are changing. So the distance from the nucleus will also be changed. So it would be option A, the energy of, yes, it is option A. Reason is not correct. Why reason is not correct? The principal quantum number is the measure of most probable distance of finding the electron around the nucleus. Just from the Rutherford, n equal to 1, 2, 3. So if one electron in principal quantum number is 3, then it is the distance from the center is increasing. Next one. Next, Fe3 plus ion is more stable than Fe2 plus ion in the ground state. Assertion. Next reason, Fe3 plus has more number of unpaired electron than Fe2 plus. What is the electronic configuration of Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus? Iron 3 plus, iron 2 plus. So it is D5 and it is D6. Fe3 plus has more number of unpaired electron than Fe2 plus. In Fe2 plus, the electrons will be paired 6 electron, but in case of D5, so here 5 unpaired electrons. And first assertion, Fe3 plus is more stable than Fe2 plus. Fe3 plus is more stable. D5 configuration is more stable than D6 because all the electrons are singly spin. It is a stable one. So I think it is option in Fe3 plus. It is option C, that is, assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. Fe3 plus D5, Fe2 plus D6. What would be the option here? In 8, iron 3 plus is more stable than iron 2 plus in the ground state. It is right. Iron 3 plus has more number of unpaired electron than iron 2 plus. From there iron 3 plus is D5, iron 2 plus is D6. So D5s having more unpaired electron, but exchange energy will be higher in case of the previous one. But as they are explaining the next, that is the second one, the reason is the explanation of the assertion or not. Reason is the explanation of the assertion or not. I think it is option A, that is assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay.